Avocado, a fruit that is not only delicious, but packed with amazing health benefits. Did you know that this green wonder is considered a superfood for your well-being? Avocado is loaded with healthy fats that can actually help lower bad cholesterol levels. It's a hard, healthy fruit that keeps your ticker in top shape. In addition to healthy fats, avocados are also packed with fiber, making them a great choice for promoting digestion and preventing constipation. But that's not all. Avocado is a nutrient powerhouse, rich in vitamins and minerals like vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin E, and potassium. These nutrients support a strong immune system and healthy skin. And if you're looking to shed some pounds, avocados can actually aid in weight loss. The healthy fats in avocados help you feel full and satisfied, reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy foods. Another incredible benefit of avocados is their ability to support eye health. They contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which are crucial for maintaining good vision. So, whether you enjoy avocado toast, guacamole, or add slices to your salad, you're giving your body a significant health boost. Fuel your well-being with the incredible health benefits of avocado, and see the positive impact on your overall health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and recipes.